How to reset Audi A ME Easy Guide. Most people get this wrong, but resetting the ME in an Audi A is straightforward. You won't believe how quickly the system can be restored to normal with just a few button presses. Start by turning on your Audi A. Locate the ME control panel and press and hold the menu button along with the center rotary knob for about 10 seconds. The screen should go black and then restart. If that doesn't work, try pressing the setup button simultaneously with the menu button. This performs a soft reset without affecting stored settings like radio presets or navigation favorites. For more persistent issues, perform a factory reset via the ME settings menu. Navigate to Setup System Factory Reset and firm the reset. Keeping in mind this will erase personal data but can resolve software glitches. In conclusion, resetting the Audi A ME involves holding the menu button and rotary knob, optionally combining with setup or performing a factory reset in settings. These steps restore functionality safely and quickly.